If you're experiencing issues with your payment not going through on Mint Mobile, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your credit card or bank account information is entered correctly. Step 2. Review account status. Log into your Mint Mobile account and check if there are any alerts or notifications regarding your account status. Make sure your account is active and not suspended. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you are using a web browser, clear your cache and cookies. This can resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted data that may be affecting the payment process. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If the initial payment method fails, attempt to use a different credit card or payment option. Sometimes, certain cards may have restrictions or issues that prevent successful transactions. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the payment issue on Mint Mobile. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support for further assistance.